This is a 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood series. The warm blood on the Adam Julite indicates that it does have a side ramp. On this particular model, we also add a foot at the head of the horses. So your standard Adam Julite Warm Blood does not have that footage. It just angles the wall versus the regular Adam Julite. At Trailer Country, we add a foot there to make sure that the horses can easily exit the side ramp from either side of the trailer. So again, this is a 2025 Adam Julite. That is an all aluminum trailer, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and aluminum roof. It does have a treated wooden floor. It's 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, and it's now 15 feet on the floor since we add that footage. A standard Julite is called a 14-foot model. We also add a window in the top curtain over the side ramp. This particular trailer, as you can see, is champagne in color. Has windows in the rear top curtains over the rear ramp. You've got padded breast and butt bars, padded divider, and padded sidewalls. Nice big sliding windows on each side of the trailer. Sliding window between the horse area and the dressing room. 2 pop-up roof vents and a sliding window in the escape door. Load light in the rear. There's a switch there on the back of the trailer for that. Switch here on this side for the interior lights. Nice rear ramp. That rear ramp is nice and low to the ground, not steep at all. And I can also lift that rear ramp with one non-dominant hand. Extruded aluminum siding. We have added graphics to this trailer. 3,500 pound axles. I believe the trailer weighs 3,850 empty. Double check our website for those specs. So a 7,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. We've got an ST 225 75 R15 tire on a steel wheel there. Full length running boards on our street side, so it's easy to get in and out of the escape door or into the dressing room. Bar style removable swinging head divider. You can take that out. You can swing it from side to side. Again, there's pop-up roof vents and the sliding window between the horse area and the dressing room. You know, I'm sitting here thinking that this is newer. It's not been in all the models over the years, but in the side ramp model, I think they have started adding that poly on the front wall as well. Again, treated wooden floor with rubber mats in the back. All the doors are going to latch open with what I call a hook and loop style latch. We do have upgraded Dalton doors on this trailer because the color, the champagne color, requires that upgraded door. So it's a Dalton door made in-house at Adam Trailers versus your standard camper style door. In the dressing room, we have 6 bridle hooks, 2 saddle racks, spare tire, and rubber mats on the dressing room floor. There's room to do some other customizations in here once you get it home, or here if you decide there's some extra things you'd like. Additional bridle hooks, blanket bars, clothing bars, those are things we can take care of here at Trailer Country. There is a light inside of the dressing room that is over the dressing room door, LED light. We'll try to wrap up since I'm starting the pressure washer there. 2025 Adam Julite Warm Blood series. 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, 15 feet on the floor. The Warm Blood series has a side ramp and a rear ramp. This trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see the specs on our website as well as photographs at Trailer Country LLC.